guys, and welcome back to my channel. The first product I use is a cleansing balm. This one is great to remove makeup. I clean my face every day, no matter if I wear makeup or not. If I wear makeup, I like to double cleanse with a cleansing gel or foam afterwards. I like cleansing balms because it's not harsh on your skin and your makeup melts instantly. Then I use a toner. This one is by Haru Haru Wonder. It's a nourishing toner formulated with 95% natural ingredients to deliver intense moisture and nourishment. It has black rice extract to prevent signs of aging and hyaluronic acid for moisturizing. The next product is by COSRX. It's the Snail Power Essence. It intensely hydrates skin and relieves skin dryness while restoring vitality. It's rich in moisture, nutrients, and vitamins. It helps to repair damaged skin, improve skin texture, and reduce hyperpigmentation and fine lines. Then I use the Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drops. It's a hypoallergenic vitamin C serum that is gentle enough for those with sensitive skin. It helps out to even out the skin tone, tighten pores, brighten the skin, and fade pigmentation. For moisturizer, I have the Dr. Jart Ceramidine Cream. It's a moisturizing cream with a ceramide complex to strengthen skin barrier while protecting it to prevent future dehydration. It has 5 kinds of ceramides to strengthen the skin barrier, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. Last but not least, I like to use a lip mask or lip balm. I use whatever mask or balm I have at the moment. And that's for my Korean night skincare routine in summer. All products with links are listed down below as well.